My name is Amitesh Ranjan. I'm a BE student from Netaji Subhash Institute of Technology from Delhi University, and I'm in the last year of my BTech, and I'm pursuing it from Electronics and Communication Engineering branch. I thought of pursuing MBA, and I was in dilemma of my profile. And then Career Labs team had a webinar in my college, and I attended it, and I was very much impressed by the process. Like it will help me in my profile building for the MBA. So I got to know it from the webinar of my college. So it started with a diagnostic test. I had to take a diagnostic test about my psychology and profile, and I had to take a test, and then I had to make a CV of mine. Then it was being evaluated by my mentor Kritika ma'am, and then I got a profile gap analysis call, and then she guided me over it. So it started with a diagnostic test and further on with profile gap analysis. So I was in dilemma. I know nothing about management, so I asked my mentor Kritika ma'am over it, and she suggested me to go for some courses, and she told me about the lack of spikes in my CV, and she told me not to worry about it, and she guided me over, like I pursued some courses in starter courses and advanced courses. She guided me over it, and she told me to keep analyzing my CV and keep adding points to it, and she guided me over the template of CV that is being provided by Career Labs itself. I had 6 courses, and it covered all the domains which I was interested in. It started with C++ course. I had no knowledge about coding. I kind of I had a good knowledge from starter course. Then I had embedded logic course, for that is from my own domain, from electronics. I pursued it, and the course which I liked the most was HR analytics, and it was being advised from my mentor Kritika ma'am only. After completing my starter courses, I went to the advanced course and started with the intro part. Then after every course, every topic, I had a quiz and an assignment to do, which enhanced my knowledge about the HR analytics. And it was a 6-month course which I completed in 2 months, and it was a very smooth process. And through that process, I had 2 projects to do and several quizzes, which was like transformation in my knowledge for in the field of HR analytics. So it helped me a lot. We have our focus of month every month, and we have several topics covered there, starting from the CV template, CV guidance. Everyone from my age is not so much through their CV, so we got a helpful guidance from Kritika ma'am over our building of CV. Then talking about as we are going to face interview in our future, we had some mock interview session and mock group discussion session. And as I want to pursue higher education, there was some webinar about how to draft your SOPs and draft your LORs, what is going to help in my LORs, and where to acquire it from. It was all there in the webinar that are conducted every month. I have several doubts about my course, and a team was very much reachable, and the person who helped the most was you only, Arpita ma'am. And I always had a doubt about my when to pursue internship and what projects to do. I always came to you, and you helped me with everything, and you always supported me. So the team of Career Lab is very much reachable, and they always support you. When we are in college, we are adolescent, and we don't have very much knowledge about our profile. We don't know about ourselves. We don't know about our interest that much. So if I knew the value of my profile a bit earlier, it would have helped me a lot. But no regrets. I found Career Labs, and I am very much confident about my profile now. So my advice to my fellows are like, don't delay. Profile is what you are. It reflects what you are. So if you are serious about getting a job or getting a higher education, the only thing that you have to worry about is a profile, and there won't be any good place to start building your profile than Career Labs. They are going to help you A to Z of profile. So my advice will be, join a course that is reliable. And talking from my first hand experience, I was not good at my profile. You could see my profile before and after. It has changed a lot. So thanks to Career Labs team. And yeah, you have to focus on your profile for every success in your life future.